Bueno, mientras tanto, continuando con más informe, con casi 30 años de experiencia de manejo de aeropuerto, recientemente James Fazio ha mudado de New York para Aruba en función de Chief Executive Officer novo de Aruba Airport Authority, NV. Después de apenas algunas semanas en función, ela conta de su visión para el Aeropuerto Internacional Reina Beatriz.
Essa aqui tá James Fazio, que desde 1 de setembro, último, está na cabeça de operação diário de nosso aeroporto. E também com roupa e experiência, especialmente de aeroporto de JFK, de New York.
My aviation background, roughly just shy of 30 years in airport management. I started my career in New York with the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, where I worked in several airport operations positions. In 1997, the Port Authority elected to privatize the international terminal at JFK. Schiphol Group won the contract for that. At that moment, I left the Port Authority, went to work for Schiphol, and I've been with Schiphol Group managing Terminal 4 since 1997, so for 17 years. Towards the earlier part of this year, Mr. Steinmetz, the previous CEO, indicated that he was going to be moving on to other position. I received a call from our headquarters in Amsterdam inquiring if I was interested in the position. They thought it would be a good fit, and so here I am in Aruba.
Claro que tem uma diferença cardinal entre o aeroporto de Aruba, que é de New York, para prometer anda manejar 17 milhões de passageiros em Terminal 4, ou for de onde que ela vem, mientras que na Aruba nós estamos manejar 2,5 milhões de passageiros. De outra banda, o aeroporto de Aruba é um aeroporto nacional, mas JFK não.
What I did find, though, is a very modern, very convenient airport. A team of professionals here that really has a lot of motivation and ambition, a lot of talent, and so there's plenty to work with here. There's been a lot of past successes here at the Aruba Airport, and I'm looking forward to rolling my sleeves up and starting to build on some of those past successes and continue to make the airport a place that everyone here is proud of.
Pero mientras que tinha assim tanto coisa bom passando com o nosso aeroporto, também tem reto para qual me ser trabalhar duro riba nang award.
Well, I think one of the imminent issues that we have here at the airport is in some cases it's kind of we're a victim of our own success. The airport passenger numbers are hitting record volumes. Each month we have a new record that we've broken for a single day, a single week. And I think we're starting to feel the pressure of those passenger volumes, those airplane movements. There's a number of projects that were already started in the pipeline prior to my arrival, and I'm very keen on making sure we get some of those projects across the finish line. A new baggage system to improve the CBP process so passengers don't need, US-bound passengers don't need to reclaim their bags. Expansion of the security checkpoint to streamline the outbound Aruba passport control process where we can, and then to reposition some of the retail concessions in the place that makes the most sense. Aircraft parking stands, all of those things are really important infrastructure improvements that we need to do over the course of the next few years.
Coisa seguro, o asset mais grande de nosso aeroporto não é difícil nem tampouco é avião que trabalha diariamente, sino de trabalhador profissional, dinâmico e com hobby talento, segundo o representante novo de Schiphol Group.
They're absolutely a part of the success here. Couldn't do it without them. And so, as I had mentioned earlier, one of the first questions you asked is, what did I find here? And I found a lot of talent and a lot of ambition. And I think, I'm looking forward to working with some of those folks. And I think they've got a lot of great ideas, and as the leader of the team, I'm going to try to harness that talent and channel it into some really productive results.
A visão do gerente general novo está óbvio, é que arriba nosso aeroporto num seguinte nível de crescimento e desenvolvimento, assim aeroporto que nos torna mais orgulhoso de Jay.
I think, one, an airport that can meet the demands of the passenger volumes that are being brought here. So right now we have a short-term problem, but longer term, to create a master plan that allows the airport to continue to grow and not see any operational problems. I also think the airport should be extremely modern. It should be very convenient, and it should also feel like Aruba. And so to try to match some of those things together, I think are some good long-term goals to try to accomplish here.
Amita Patrick Pascal, para ATV, Canal G5.
Aqui está cumple exatamente 10 anos que a Aruba Airport Authority a ser acordo estratégico de cooperação com o Schiphol International, que é a divisão responsável para a atividade internacional de Schiphol Group, conhecida para manejar entre outros aeroportos de Holanda. meta do acordo de cooperação está para enfocar o uso máximo do potencial comercial do aeroporto de Aruba para estar financeiramente mais estável, para prosseguir desenvolver a facilidade e para estar um aeroporto líder do Caribe.